I'm Wafa. I'm currently working as assistant coordinator at BRAC JPGSPH School of Public Health. I was involved in year 2, where our team was responsible for redesigning the sexual and reproductive health and rights course. What we did in Transform was, instead of starting with what we want to teach the students, we started with a list of competencies that we thought were important for the students to make them ready for real-life public health. So we had many brainstorming sessions with year 1 mentors, with our internal mentor, where we came up with a list of competencies first. Then based on those competencies, we worked backwards to decide what content we would teach that would address those competencies. Then we came up with methodologies which were more student-friendly. And then we worked on a grading system which helped us understand how well the students were building those competencies. One of the key takeaways from Transform was that curriculum design is an iterative process. Like, we had to go through a process of trial and error, and we had to go through like a constant refining to reach the point that we wanted to reach. So in this process, it's very important to be flexible, because even when you start with competencies, you design the content, methodology, unless you mock a session, you really don't know whether it will work the way you wanted it to. A mock session is where we got together a few students and our mentors, and we tested a methodology that we wanted to teach in class. In Transform, we learned facilitation. That included giving feedback to the students, active listening. So this is one of the things that I've been applying with the students since Transform. Like, I now know that I'm better able to actively listen to the students. I'm better able to facilitate discussions in a class and also give feedback in a positive manner. Besides my role as a facilitator, in my research, I work with communities and community researchers and apply several community-based participatory research methods. So this skill has also helped me facilitate those community sessions a lot better. With active listening, I think I can now understand the community better, and I can make those sessions more interactive. So it's very important, especially in the context of Bangladesh, to have a competency-based curriculum, which aims to prepare students for their career roles. And this is something a lot of universities do not focus on. Like, they focus on teaching content, but they don't focus on preparing the students for what's coming next. So what Transform does is it allows students to build competencies that are required by employers when they reach their respective professional fields. Besides this, what Transform has done is it has created a pool of mentors over the years. So what we can do as mentors is we can train others in our institution and beyond on how to make courses more competency-based, how to do student-centered facilitation. So this shows that beyond this project, this pool or these skills that we learn, they'll be useful to improve other courses.